Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host, Limpo Mukhale. Mbombela Stadium is where I'm at for the Betway Premiership clash between TS Galaxy and Orlando Pirates. A game as of two just ended with a scoreline of 6-0 in favor of Orlando Pirates. And I'm joined by TS Galaxy Fanatics.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
But what do we say?
Yeah.
What do we say? Because looking at the scoreline
Sure.
itself, sometimes you might suspect ezinye izinto la.
And the best right, man.
No, serious, unga-suspect ezinye izinto. 6-0.
Yeah.
I know. Either I'm a player mhlambe awekho right or awekho hip or something.
Sure.
I know that we got an early red card.
Sure.
But then we've seen teams play without Elon.
Yeah.
Playing with
one player
down. So yeah, this one, I think Pirates nayo on its own is the first time it win against.
Yeah.
You see. Yeah, but no, we try again. What is interesting is Sibuya Chiefs.
Ooh.
Yeah, Sibuya E12 for
April.
just manje nje April Sibuya siqede Chiefs lapha siqedele FNB.
Usho ukuthi
You know, abana chance. But then another thing ngifuna ukuyisho, since Undamane
yeah.
No detention bahambile.
Yeah.
No, signs have been there.
Yeah.
Signs have been there ukuthi kuna something wrong.
Sure.
Yeah, ama player was perform the way they're supposed to perform, yabo.
Sure.
Yeah, so I don't know ukuthi what is behind this. There are games esizidrowile ukuthi vele you can see ukuthi, but la if bengasutha pe era kube sidliwe kulawo ma games.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, we don't know what is happening in the team, but then we support the boys.
Sure.
Yeah. There's nothing else. It's an issue. We're going back to Gauteng now.
Yeah.
No. But it's Galaxy. I know my supporters Gauteng.
Yeah.
Inle.
How?
Inle. But it's Galaxy. I know my supporter Gauteng.
Mbobani lapha?
Na branch.
Mbobani lapha basho njalo nje?
Sibayeke labo na branch sinayo.
Naku nayigcwalisa Solomon Mahlangu nodwana.
Siyagcwalisa Solomon Mahlangu.
Iyagcwala nodwana phela. Anilekelelwa phela kuyigcwaliseni.
Soda no. So Milford.
Sure.
Ayizobhadalela lezona zanamhlanje.
Sure.
Anoyobhadala Milford.
Yeah. Big time.
Asiva.
Uyayithatha kuNetbank le.
Asathi Nedbank.
Thank you Nduna yami.
Hola.